Hey guys, Tad here with KIS Organics, and today I'm here to show you an unboxing of the newest light from BIOS Lighting. This is the Luna 1750. Now for those of you less familiar with BIOS, BIOS is a NASA spin-off founded in 2014 on the Florida Space Coast, originating from projects at the Space Life Sciences Lab and Kennedy Center to grow plants in space and help astronauts regulate their sleep on the International Space Center. If you haven't had a chance, you can check out my review of the BIOS Endeavor multi-bar light on our YouTube channel. I've been running it in my garden and I love how little it weighs, making it easy to hang and adjust, and the light output and uniformity is excellent. I've gotten solid yields with good terpene expression across multiple harvests, and BIOS uses the same spectrum in their Endeavor and Luna lights. Today, they use these discoveries to revolutionize lighting for human wellness and growing plants on Earth. I've worked with a lot of different LED companies over the years, and now I work exclusively with BIOS for a few reasons. First and foremost is because I believe they have one of the best lights commercially available on the market in terms of build quality. You really see that NASA engineering coming through in the quality of the lighting they're producing. And they also have the best customer service of any lighting company I've ever worked with. In addition to that, they have the best warranty that's out there on the market today, a 7-year warranty on the fixture and a 5-year warranty on the power supply. So let's get into the specs on the light. The light works on a range of 120 to 277 volts, or you can get a different power supply that works on 277 to 488 volts. The fixture is approximately 38 inches long by 4.5 inches wide and 4 inches tall and weighs 12.2 pounds. The power supply can be mounted next to the fixture or further away using a jumper cable, and it weighs 7.4 pounds. The light is 635 watts with a PAR efficacy of 2.76 U-moles per second and a ppf of 1750 U-moles per second. The housing on the light is cold forged aluminum and tempered glass over the diodes, so you can easily wipe them down and clean them. This is crucial, not only for IPM, but also to maintain efficacy. Lights without glass coverings may list slightly better efficacy, but in everyday usage, I would expect it to drop quickly as the diodes become dirty or dusty and you cannot clean them effectively. The light also has an IP66 waterproof rating. An IP66 rating is protected against multi-directional high-pressure water, so you don't have to worry about damaging your light when spraying, and it's easy to clean, and it's the highest rating a fixture can have. BIOS customizes both the cabling and the lighting layout because everyone has a slightly different grow environment. If you contact me directly through KIS Organics, we can get you a custom lighting layout that would show you how the lights potentially overlap and what sort of homogeneity you would have throughout your canopy. Okay, so I wanted to shoot a quick video showing you how easy it is to hang the light. Because it weighs so little, I can hold it with one hand while attaching the hangers, and then the quick connect cables, they just snap in and do a half twist to ensure a solid electrical connection with no risk of them coming apart. It's literally plug and play right out of the box. All right, so now we are back in the grow room. I have the lights hung up. I have the Luna, and I hung it up next to the Endeavor so that you could see the two side by side. Both of these lights are from BIOS, and the Endeavor I already did an unboxing video of that you can check out on our YouTube channel. You would never really run these lights side by side. You choose one design or the other, but I did want to show you what they look like next to each other. Now, in terms of the light itself, I'll post on the video here. I'll show you what the actual lighting layout is, but just checking it with my PAR meter right now, as we start up close to the light here, we're up to 3200 ppfd, and then as we come down, now I'm at about 2000, right about here directly under the light. And then as I move away, we're gonna see those light levels drop as that angle changes too. So even at this distance, we're at about 1000 ppfd here. And as we move out towards the edge of the bed, here at an angle, if I angle my meter, we're about 550 ppfd. So we're getting quite high light levels with the Luna, and we're getting it with a very slim form factor. So it's not gonna block any light coming in from the sun, say in a greenhouse. And we can also pack these closer together if you wanted to hit a higher overall ppfd in your grow. Thanks for watching my review of the Luna LED grow light from BIOS Lighting. Please reach out to either myself or BIOS if you have any questions or are interested in a custom lighting layout for your garden or facility.